Here's a backflow prevention device rebuild for you folks. This is the old style 950 XL. This is the new style 950 XL2. Rebuilding the old unit because of a water meter pit issue with the horn. And I have a pair of check valves and springs. And we're going to change it out. Just putting it out there for posterity, actually for the homeowner at this address, and for the water company in case I hear any flack that I did a rope-a-dope, which I don't. I take water quality very, very serious. With that, thanks for watching.